What scientists discovered will blow your mind today. Earth faces constant threats from space debris. Asteroids pose a genuine, existential danger to our planet. Remember the dinosaur extinction event millions of years ago? Humanity finally has a defense strategy against cosmic impacts. NASA DART mission delivered a groundbreaking success. This mission changed an asteroid's path deliberately. Scientists track thousands of near-Earth objects, NEO. Many could potentially collide with our home world. The 2013 Chelyabinsk meteor event showed this danger. That airburst injured over 500 people in Russia. Preventing such impacts is a paramount scientific goal. Planetary defense became an urgent, global priority. NASA launched the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART. This mission aimed to test kinetic impact deflection. DART targeted Dimorphos, a small asteroid moonlet. Dimorphos orbits a larger asteroid named Didymos. This binary system posed no threat to Earth. It was the perfect natural laboratory for the test. The spacecraft journeyed for 10 months through space. Its autonomous navigation system guided it precisely. On September 26, 2022, DART hit Dimorphos. The impact occurred 8 million miles from Earth. DART slammed into Dimorphos at 14,000 miles per hour. Cameras like LishaCube captured the spectacular event live. Telescopes worldwide watched the immediate aftermath unfold. A massive plume of ejected material erupted outward. This debris significantly contributed to the orbital change. It was humanity's first attempt to move a celestial body. Scientists meticulously analyzed Dimorphos's new orbit. Before impact, Dimorphos orbited Didymos every 11 hours, 55 minutes. Post-impact, this orbital period shortened dramatically. The new period is 11 hours, 22 minutes, and 37 seconds. This 33-minute change exceeded all initial expectations. DART proved kinetic impact deflection is a viable defense. This success offers a real strategy for protecting Earth. Future missions will build upon DART's incredible findings. We now possess a critical tool for planetary defense. Humanity can potentially steer dangerous asteroids away. DART mission truly redefined planetary defense efforts. It demonstrated our capacity to safeguard our future. This groundbreaking achievement marks a new space era. We are no longer helpless against cosmic threats. Humanity can potentially steer dangerous asteroids away. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of space discoveries.